So I want to make this video a little bit differently. First of all, I'm very excited and I hope you realize and appreciate I've got a new camera and I'm testing some different presets. So far, honestly, the quality is not up to my standard. I have to be very honest. So it's called Sony ZV-1. I'm not an expert in camera. I know nothing about hardware, but I don't think it has lived up to the expectations, to be honest. It has underperformed, in my opinion. I also bought a new light ring to help with the lighting, but after a couple of tests, so I tested this bad boy or bad girl over here, and I'm gonna be honest, the lighting sucked. The lighting sucked big time. So I don't think I can even use it because the lighting sucked. I realized I was better off without it. So I'm here to talk about how HighLevel is paying me an average of $2,000 a month, and it has really changed my life. So there is a difference between, I'm going to explain how this works, the affiliate program. So HighLevel has an affiliate program. For the ones who don't know what HighLevel is, I'm going to show you right now. So HighLevel is an all-in-one marketing platform which helps you elevate your marketing and sales game, and it has absolutely everything. It has, like, when I say everything, I mean everything you need to succeed. Like, if you're in business, if you're a business owner and you make some sort of money, like if you're not at zero, if you make some sort of money and you have heard of HighLevel, there's two scenarios. You are either a super successful business owner that has everything dialed in and don't need any help. And if that's the case, then good for you. But if that's not the case, if you're looking for help streamlining your marketing, your sales, improving your operations, and you have heard of HighLevel and you're not using it, to me, you are crazy. To me, you are crazy. Again, I'm going to say this again. If you know about HighLevel, you've checked it out, and you're not using it, at least in the starter plan, or at least giving it a free trial, to me, you are crazy with all caps. Okay, here's why. HighLevel HighLevel can do all of these things. First of all, it captures new leads through landing pages, funnels, websites, forms, surveys, calendars. On top of that, you can nurture them, texting them, emailing them, voicemail drops, voice AI, conversation AI. And finally, you can collect payment. So you can close the leads, you can collect payment, you can book appointments with calendars, you can send estimates, you can send proposals, you can send invoices. And here's the best part. You can also create, once you collect payment, you can host your own courses, your own communities, okay, your own courses, your own communities, your own platform inside of HighLevel. You offering free and paid courses. Now, there's a couple of ways to grow your business with HighLevel, and most importantly, there's a couple of ways to sign up with HighLevel. So, giving it a quick recap, these are all the tools that HighLevel replaces. CRM and pipeline management, unlimited sales funnel builder, website builder, surveys and forms, email marketing, two-way SMS marketing, bookings and appointments, workflow automation. So all these icons that you see are for HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, Survey Gizmo, WooForm, JotForm, Typeform, MailChimp, HubSpot, Constant Contact. These ones are, I think this one is called Podium, Equity Scheduling, Calendly, Go Once Hub, Klaviyo. What else? For courses and products, Teachable, Kajabi, Reputation Management. This one I don't remember what it is. Tracking Analytics would be Agency Analytics. For communities, School and Circle, Document Signing, PandaDoc, and DocuSign. So it replaces all those tools. So you're saving $1,612 a month trading it for a starter plan, which is $97 a month. Okay, so there's a couple of ways to sign up. You can sign up directly. If you sign up directly through the website, that's absolutely fine. The price is the same. Or you can sign up with an affiliate like me. So if you sign up with an affiliate, all it means is you're gonna use my affiliate link, which I'm dropping in the video description. You're gonna use my affiliate link, and I'm gonna give you all my courses and communities as a reward to being my affiliate. So I'm gonna show you what that includes. So for every person who is my affiliate in the unlimited plan or above, that means they are in the 297 plan or above, or they upgraded to the 297 or above with me, I give them access to all my resources, which are massive value bumps. I'm going to explain this again. So first of all, you get all my courses, which are designed for you to become an automations expert. I don't teach you to be a VA. If you want to learn how to be a VA, a virtual assistant, go learn step by step. I don't teach step by step because automation in real life couldn't be further from a step by step process. It's more putting the pieces of the puzzle together and bringing them cohesively. So it's a whole system that works together. It's not, and I'm gonna repeat it, and I'm gonna say it passionately, I'm gonna say it with my chest. It's not a step by step process. So I do not teach step by step. If you wanna learn step by step, most likely you're gonna end up becoming a VA, a virtual assistant of HighLevel. I teach you how to become an automations and systems strategist. So the way I teach is you learn all the different components that HighLevel has, and at the same time how to put them together. So here's what we cover. We cover SMS and email wizardry, one of the main pillars, the basics of HighLevel. This is an 1-hour course covering all the basics of HighLevel. Then we cover workflows A to Z. Okay, workflows A to Z. Here I teach a lot about, more advanced stuff like overview, best practices, advanced workflow actions. So the basics and advanced workflow actions. Then I go over onboarding. So whenever you get a new client, we don't cover a lot of sales and marketing. This is not a sales and marketing program. There is plenty of sales and marketing programs out there. This is how to become an automations expert. So we cover onboarding, how to onboard your clients A to Z, how to cover your onboarding clients. And then I give you a snapshot, including the funnel, the workflows, and the scenario in Make and how to use it. So you can just plug and play. I give you too the systems that took an agency from 50K to 250K per month. New lead follow-up, appointment confirmation, star onboarding, perfect support, qualifying your leads. I also cover 5-minute webinar AI. Here is the masterclass where we put all the pieces together. Again, I don't like teaching step by step. I prefer teaching how to put all the pieces together to build a system that works and is a real life scenario. That's how I teach. That's my style of teaching, which I believe it works because we don't train virtual assistants here. I mean, I have the service as a site of placing virtual assistants, but if you're a business owner looking to infuse AI and systems into your business, the last thing you need is another step-by-step tutorial. You need to learn how to incorporate a system to what you already currently have, which is your business. And that's what I teach. That's the style I teach. Another thing, if something doesn't work, I show you here how to make money with HighLevel. First of all, I show you a tutorial, the proven way to make money with HighLevel. There's like 6 different ways. And how to fix any issue in HighLevel. So this is a masterclass on how to fix any issue in HighLevel and the troubleshooting guide. So the most common troubleshooting issues. Now, here's the main value of the community, because I'm not a big believer in just binge watching courses, or watch binging courses. I don't know. The discussion. So you can ask me any question that you need, and I'm gonna respond to you I'm going to respond either with a written answer or with a loom. Like someone asks me how to do this, I send a loom on how to do it. Someone asked me for a feature list. I responded with a feature list. So our content is based on what the members of the community want. That's how I teach. I teach just in time, not just in case. Every single call is recorded. So every single coaching call is recorded, and we do 2 calls a week. We do 2 calls a week, 2 support calls every single week on Tuesdays and on Thursdays. Well, except last Thursday because it was Thanksgiving. So we covered that. And because I give so much value to my affiliates, HighLevel rewards me. So these people reward me staying with me in their HighLevel account. And then HighLevel pays me. So I'm going to show you the proof. So HighLevel in June paid me $1,600, July $1,718, in August almost $1,900, in September a little bit more than $1,900, in October $3,700 because one person upgraded for the annual plan, and then in November we still have a couple more days because this isn't fully updated. So November should be around $1,700. Yeah. So my lifetime earnings have been $25,655. I have 14 out of 20 customers. There's actually more than that because some people they didn't sign up under me, but I have plenty of people that have upgraded under me. So they upgrade under me, and that is how that they make me money, because they upgraded under me. So the way HighLevel works is that you can sign up for a plan. Let's say you sign up for the 97 a month plan with someone, and then you can upgrade to the higher plan with another person's affiliate link. Like some people didn't like what their affiliate gave them originally, so they upgraded under me. A lot of people are doing that lately. So I'm going to explain how this works. So the way this works, so the promoter reports show me how many referrals versus how many customers I actually do in the affiliate program. And HighLevel pays you 40% of whatever plan they are. So if they sign up under you for the unlimited plan, which is $297 a month, you would get 118. Now, if they upgraded under you from the 97 to the 297, you get 40% of the upgrade. So 40% of 200, which is the difference between 97 and 297. That's the way it works. If someone upgrades from the 97 to the 497 under you, I get, in this case, the affiliate, 40% of 400. Yeah, that's the way it works. Now, if someone signs up with you with the 97 initially and they upgrade progressively to the 497, you end up getting $198 for that customer, which is a lot of money. And I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm going to go to my referrals. So I'm, of course, hiding the names and emails of the people, but you can see here the payments that I receive every single month, fluctuating from $26 to $159 because of the people that I've either signed up or upgraded through HighLevel. And this is just for the affiliate program, because there is the supercharged SaaS. I'm going to show you that one. Yeah, so I get less clients on this, but these are the people that are in the highest plan, in the SaaS plan. So I have 3 people right now every month. I have got a 4th person recently. So every single month now I have 4 people in this pro plan. 1 person downgraded. So 1 person downgraded from the highest plan to the lower plan. But you get the idea. Like, that's how it works. So long story short, HighLevel is doing an insane Black Friday deal that ends actually tomorrow at night. So if you're watching this video and you're considering doing either signing up to HighLevel or upgrading to HighLevel. So for Black Friday, HighLevel is offering an insane, freaking insane deal. If you do not take this deal, I think you'll be crazy to say no to this deal. They're giving 50% off every single plan of HighLevel. So every single plan of HighLevel is being offered at 50% off. So that means that the starter plan now is 48.5 a month for the next 3 months. 50% off for the next 3 months. The plan that is $297 a month, the unlimited plan, now is at 50% off at 148.5. And the SaaS plan, which used to be $497 a month just for these days, is $248 a month for the next 3 months. And if you're an existing customer, you can get the upgrade. You can still upgrade to any of these plans with the 50% off. So if you want to upgrade, let's say from the 97 a month plan you were to the unlimited, it wouldn't be $297 a month, it would be $148 a month. Yeah. So I'm giving this link in my video description. It's only gonna last for a couple more days. So if you're late to the deal, very, very sorry. Let's see you next year. But still, you should sign up for HighLevel and you should sign up under me, more important. I hope I've proven to you why you should do this with me and not with other people and not directly with HighLevel. Now, this is the reason why HighLevel is paying me an average of $2,000 a month. And in a year from now, my expectation is that these numbers triple or quadruple. Like I'm pretty sure by end of 2026, it should be between 8 or 10K per month. I'm very confident because that has been the progression. Again, I'm very, very excited to see the new affiliates I'm gonna be getting and the new community members. So yeah, that's all I have for now.